Hello, welcome to Form Genie AI. Its AI-driven data extraction automatically captures key fields from forms, agreements, invoices, and other documents, minimizing repetitive data entry and ensuring clean, validated data. Form Genie AI is a collapsible UI component, so click on it to view the list of attached files and extracted data. Click Attachments to access the section where you can upload and manage files related to the current record. To begin, click on the Attachments section of the new record in Creatio. You can either add the attachment component from Freedom UI or use the one at the top to upload your file. Supported formats include docx and PDF. Allow the Form Genie AI to perform its task and wait to see the table displayed below. The table will display columns of CRM values, including your values from the form, values from the file, the AI's confidence level, and a final column for action on these values. You can update each value individually while keeping human intervention involved. Once the file reading is complete and the extracted data is displayed in the Extracted Data section, you will also see a file listed in the Choose a File to View Extracted Data dropdown. You can select a file from the Choose a File to View Extracted Data dropdown menu and view the related data in the table below. You can click the Auto Apply checkbox to update all values with over 90% confidence. Please confirm the update if you wish to change the value. Form Genie AI ensures that you do not accidentally update values you want to keep. Finalize the document update. Collapse the component so you can see the rest of the page data.